Man, it's crazy. There's some men, including those watching, that are actually investing time in their grooming routine, but the stuff that they're doing to try to make themselves better is actually ruining their appearance. You're actually looking ugly. I'll give you an example. This is a popular one. You're letting your hair grow to cover your hair loss. Bro, you look goofy, bro. Most of the time, when you start seeing hair loss, it's like your gut reaction is to, all right, I need to cover this up. I'm gonna let my hair grow out. You have to understand that if you're losing your hair and you let it grow out, your hair's already thinning. The longer your hair is, the thinner it looks. It looks more sparsed out. It's like similar to a beard effect, right? When you don't have a full beard, like I don't have a full beard, this is why I keep it low. The longer I grow my beard out, the more wiry it looks and the more evident my beard is not full. The same thing happens with hair loss. So instead of just letting your hair grow out, you have two options. One, cut the thing off or keep it short to hide the hair loss. Or number two, do something about it, bro. You have to understand that today, at this day and age, there's so many things that you can do to actually keep your hair versus just letting it grow out. Use the derma roller. Bro, you can get this from our company, Heat Grooming. It's scientifically proven to help you. There's oils, natural oils. There's minoxidil. There's finasteride. There's all these ingredients that you can get over the counter and start today on a consistent basis to keep your hair. Number two, you're using the same cologne every day. Again, right? You understand you have to use a fragrance, but now you use the same fragrance every day because you're too lazy to think of a new one. Boys, if you're using the same fragrance, or maybe it's just your original body musk, you don't even use a fragrance. You use the same thing every day, it gets boring. It's like clothing. Imagine wearing the same exact clothes every single day. Unless you're Mark Zuckerberg and one of the richest men in the world, it ain't gonna work out too good for you. You have to switch it up. Just like clothes, switch up the fragrances. Takes me to number three. You're not scrubbing in the shower, right? You understand you have to shower, but I wish I could do a poll. Right? My university has to go out there and do a study for this. But I would say over 70% of you aren't showering in the bathroom. You're not actually showering and scrubbing down, especially problem areas. Most of you will sit there with blazing hot water and just let the soapy water run down your body, assuming that that's enough to clean your body. You have to scrub down. Your body is full of dead skin. That skin starts picking up a weird scent. On top of that, it blocks your pores, which is why most of you also deal with body acne. I'm telling you right now, you need some sort of loofah, some sort of scrubber. Our scrubber from Heat Grooming, it's the best because it's a silicone one, so it's gonna last you forever. You can easily wash it off. You don't have to replace it. And better than that, the scrubbing bristles are great to pick up all that dead skin. When you scrub in the shower with our body scrubber from Heat Grooming, I promise you, you'll step out of the shower feeling cleaner than ever, smelling better than ever if you use our body wash, but more importantly, your skin will feel insanely soft. It's like a micro exfoliation every time you shower, and we don't only just have a body scrubber, we have a facial scrubber as well, so you can just tackle both in the shower at the same time. You want to know what? I'm going to gift you these for free. You heard me, right? For free. If you guys check out our shower bundle, which is our body wash, our shampoo, and our conditioner, which is, again, you're going to step out that shower smelling amazing every time, I'm going to give you 40% off. If you subscribe to the shower bundle, I'll give you 40% off right now, which is crazy. That's crazy, bro. Our stuff is amazing. And then I'm going to gift you that silicone body scrubber and facial scrubber. That's like $100 in gifts, completely free to you today if you click that link down below. Which takes me to number 4. You're not washing your face before bed, right? Again, most of you know you have to shower at least in the morning, and I like to shower at night as well. But most of you, you'll shower in the morning and then forget to shower to go to bed. You have to, bro, you were out and about for 8 to 10 hours, especially if you live in a big city. There's smog, there's dirt, there's all these free radicals, your dead skin, then your sweat and your oils. All of that is piling on in your face. Then you're gonna go to bed with that same dirt. You're gonna roll around for the next 8 hours in your own body sweat and more oils being produced. This is why your skin breaks out all the time. You have to remove all of that to allow your pores to breathe. So before you get into bed, every night you have to wash your face. Even if you don't shower, you should wash your face. Number 5, you trim your cheekbones too low and your neckline too high. You end up with a modern day chin strap. Most of you think that to get that structured beard line, you have to bring your cheekbones really low and then you bring your neckline way too high. So you end up with this weird chin strap that just shows off your double chin. So when you're with your barber, the first thing you should let him know is, yo, I want my beard as tall as possible possible or as thick as possible on the top, and I want you to keep my neckline covered. So you want the bottom part of your jaw to be covered with your beard. Number 6, you're not shaping your eyebrows. Shaping your eyebrows is the easiest way to structure your face. It's similar to when like your barber shapes you up, which talking about a barber, your boy's crusty. I'm gonna get a haircut, bro. This is bad. But when your barber shapes you up, what he's doing is adding symmetry. You can do that with your eyebrows. Now, I'm not telling you to make them thin because that's going to look too feminine. Keep them thick, but just structure them. What that means is remove all the hair that's outside the eyebrow's natural eye line to give your eyebrows structure, more shape, more definition, which makes your face overall look more angular and therefore more masculine. Ultimately rolls us to number 7, your uncut toes and your uncut nails. Bro, that's crusty. As a man, I'm not telling you to go get a pedicure. I mean, you can if you want to, but at the end of the day, you should at least have a nail kit that you can keep your nails trimmed, you keep your toes trimmed, because once that dirt starts seeping in under there, game over, bro. Ain't no girl ever gonna want you to touch them. So at least keep them trimmed to avoid the dirt from piling up underneath.